smooth. Okay, let's give this one a go. So we can see A is on its original course through here, and then it gets deflected an angle Y. All right. So what we can also say is that, okay, I'm just going to go through the old PCM NEL. So I'm just going to do a before and after picture up on the top left corner, and we'll see what we can come up with. Okay, so where are my circles? There they are. One. Probably should make them a little bit bigger. 1, 2, and then we'll clone these for the other one. Okay. Control G, Control D. All right. So before and after picture. So B is rest. So B is going 0 and 0. Identical sphere, both of mass m's. So that's nothing to worry about. Now, this one is going, we're going to have to use U. So we have a U sine theta and U cos theta. So it's going at U cos theta in this direction. And then it's going U sine theta down this way. So it means after impact, it's still going to be U sine theta. And this one is, call it V1, and then call this one V2. Now, it's all about A, so we only need V1. We don't need to worry about V2. And E is the angle of, E is the coefficient of restitution, so that's okay. So let's start with PCM. We go with M times U cos theta plus M times 0 equals mv1 plus mv2. This implies that v1 plus v2 ends up to be u cos theta. Okay, next we're going to do NEL, pick up our marks here, Newton's experimental law. We're going to get v1 take away v2 equals minus e into u1 take away u2. So what is u1 again? U1 is, what's it, u cos theta, take away 0. So v1 take away v2 equals minus e into u cos theta. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to get a v2. So v1 I'm in. So we're going to add the two of these directly down to each other. That'll get rid of the v2s, and I should be left with the v1s. So the v1s is going to be 2v1 equals, we'll factorize out the u, so it's going to be u cos theta into 1 minus e. There's the 1 minus e we're looking for. And then it's going to be v1 equals u cos theta 1 minus e all over 2. Now, here's where the interesting part comes into play, okay? So I'm going to get rid of all my workings because I don't need them anymore. And all I need is my my u cos theta equals 1 minus e. Okay, so that's the most important thing I have here. Everything else I don't think is going to matter. So now it's all about visualizing in my head how to convert this into tan y. Okay, so get this, all right? Originally it was going on this course here. Okay, now it's traveling this angle here. We can call this angle B. Okay, and we know that this angle here is theta. So we could say that angle B equals angle theta plus wherever this symbol is, gamma. Okay, now this angle is all to do with the after effect of sphere A. And sphere A is going across at u cos theta 1 minus e all over 2. And it's going down at u sine theta. Okay. And this is its angle is B. So essentially tan B, if you were to look for it, would be u sine theta divided by u cos theta 1 minus e all over 2. I can bring the 2 to, so tan B, bring the 2 to the top, it's going to be 2u sine theta. Actually get rid of the u's. The u's can cancel because they're on the bottom. Over 1 minus e cos theta. And even then, the sine theta and the cos theta cancel into a tan theta. So it's 2 tan theta over 1 minus e. Now, there's a little trick here, okay? So, gamma equals b minus theta, okay? So this means tan gamma equals tan b minus theta. And we know a formula for this, don't we? It's tan b minus tan theta all over 1 plus tan b tan theta. So therefore, tan gamma is tan b, which we already have here. I have tan b. It's 2 tan theta over 1 minus e minus tan theta. And then on the bottom, it's 1 plus tan b, which is once again 2 tan theta 1 minus e times another tan theta. And this is all tan gamma. All right. So what am I going to do with this? Well, I'm going to give them all a common denominator. This is 1 minus e here. Well, you bet I'm going to put another 1 minus e up here. And I'm going to turn this 1 into 1 minus e over 1 minus e. Now, look at the absolute craziness of this fraction. Used to do tons of these back in the old leaving cert. Back in the day. Now, we're going to get 2 tan theta. Now, it's going to be minus 1 times tan theta, which is minus tan theta. Then it's going to be plus e tan theta all over 1 minus e. I'm going to do the bottom one in a separate color. You'll see why in a second. It's going to be 2 tan squared theta over 1 minus e. And that's going to be 1 minus e there. Now, what we can see is they actually have a common denominator. But if I was to bring this up and turn it upside down, what it'd be is 1 minus e, and then it'll be 1 minus e plus 2 tan squared theta. The 1 minus e's cancel. So I'm just going to get rid of this. Alright, so the 1 minus e's cancel. And what I'm hoping I get left with is tan theta plus e tan theta. And then on the bottom, it's going to be 1 plus tan squared theta minus e. And check the answer at the top here. Now they have 2 tan squared theta. Now where, oh, the 2 is there. There it is. 2 tan squared theta minus e. So it's 1 plus 2 tan squared theta minus e. And I actually have the same answer, which is great. So 1 plus e into tan theta. And then it's 1 plus 2 tan squared theta minus e. And you're done. That's your tan y. Okay guys, not too bad of a one in the end.